We're very excited. This has been a long journey for us so far. We basically live by a mantra that says we will do no harm, we will provide the best patient care that we can, and that we will provide a wow experience. We will exceed the patient expectations of our community. And this is the next step to do that.
I am so excited to see what's happening here in Gloucester County. This area is growing, and this is our hub of economic development. Quality healthcare in your backyard matters. Inspirit does a phenomenal job. They're a great corporate neighbor. This is good for the residents of South Jersey, all of South Jersey, and keeping more patients here keeps dollars here, which makes the economy stronger here. So congratulations to everyone involved.
You've heard a lot of great things about what's going to happen in this new facility. We're really excited because what it shows is the continuing commitment that Inspira has to engaging with patients. This is really going to accelerate what happens within the community. So we are thrilled to see the types of technology and the types of rooms that are going to be coming to the new campus here. And while all of this great work is taking place right here, shortly when the ground gets broken, we also see a continuing commitment to Woodbury. And we know that local leadership is going to be working very hard with Inspira to continue to make good things happen right in Woodbury as this new campus in Mullica Hill takes off.
Our leadership team has decades of experience in planning for the future with all the strong focus on building healthier communities. This new medical center is our ongoing effort to provide high-quality health services that improve the lives of all we serve.
As healthcare continues to evolve, the role of hospitals continue to evolve. The question is, what does all this change mean to our new hospital and hospitals around the country? It means quick, convenient access for everyone. It means the ability to share information with other hospitals and outpatient facilities so the most up-to-date patient information is available regardless of where they might be.
I really believe now this hospital is going to enable us to partner together with Rowan and to build an amazing wellness village in here. We will turn this place into a destination. People from around the globe will recognize it. This is what I dream. I don't like to dream small. We have that potential. We can do it together.
I cannot wait to come back here 10 years from now, when I'm not the mayor, and just see what this looks like and what you have created here. We can only imagine.
We know that it is our privilege to serve our local communities, and we know we need to earn that. A project like this just raises the bar in clinical excellence, in patient satisfaction, and patient safety. And we're doing a lot of things today to earn that business. So you should be proud, I would think, of Inspira Health Network today and of the future of what we're going to bring to Harrison Township.